Good morning from Althea Hotel, which is basically like a whale shark hotel. We stayed here for the night before the whale sharks and then the night after, mainly because we actually thought we'd be tired, but then it turned out that I had my accident and I really needed it as a rest day. Today's plan, we're going to go to Lakey Peak. It is a world-class surfing spot. Plan was initially for me to go and do some surfing along with Jessie, but obviously I'm all stitched up now, can't do any water sports. So it's just going to be Jessie. Let's hit the road and get to Lakey Peak.
Not much to see along the way, so if we do see something interesting, we'll keep you updated. Otherwise, we'll see you at the surf. There's nothing between us and Stopover, which is where the ferry goes from, so cue the road montage. So don't believe what the internet tells you. The internet told us that we were going to have absolutely terrible roads. These are great. So far, we've done over half the island and not found that many bad roads. There are small little patches where the road's washed away, but they're only about 20 to 30 meters long, and then it's back to this beautiful tarmac. So yeah, don't believe what the internet says. These roads are great. For motorbikes anyway, don't know about cars, but for motorbikes, these roads are great.
Okay, so we made a stop about halfway. Just stopped off at this Golden Mart. It's a new one. You normally have Alpha Mart. We have about an hour and a half to go. We're gonna put some more sunscreen on. We've had a drink, something to eat, and then we're gonna keep going.
Woo! If you were in Australia, there's no fucking way that you would be allowed to do this. There's literally no one even stopping you or anything. You just ride on through.
Even if you're not a surfer, don't skip this place yet. The ride alone is worth it. With kids waving at you like you're a celebrity, rice fields and endless beautiful scenery. This is Indonesia.
We are 27 minutes away from Lakey Beach. We are just going to hightail it. Yeah, basically just get there where we have nowhere booked. So we have to find accommodation again, which this is always good fun, doing that. That was a shock. I didn't realise the beach was so close to us. I thought we were still in the fields. Which was the one that we liked the most? The Peak Surf House. Let's just go there.
It's like 2 minutes.
It's literally just up here on the right.
1 minute.
Alright, as you saw, we are still looking for accommodation. So the first one is coming up here on the right, I think. Yep. So it's down here to the front. Down the end. There it is, the peak. I don't know where to go from here.
The scooter for the parking behind.
Back that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, no worries. Please keep the gate closed. I'm kidding.
Okay, so we just checked into a hotel down at Lakey Peak. Check out this view. Yep, right on the surf break. So Jess is gonna go out there, have a couple of surf lessons. This is why surfers come here. The break is right there. Front row seats to nature's theatre. So after checking in and watching the surf break for a little bit, Jessie and Luke were keen to go and look around town. And on the way, they found all sorts of animals.
Look at them all go. Jessie and I just came for a ride down to Aloha Beach to see what it was all about, and yeah, it's where all the locals come on a Sunday afternoon to chill out with their families. And yeah, it's not a bad little beach. It's very low tide at the moment, but yeah, it's all right. Yeah.
What the hell is that?
That's a fish.
I don't want the fish, bro.
That's a rainbow fish.
I don't want the rainbow fish. Oh, is that an octopus? That's
Where?
not an octopus.
It is. Oh, it's a
that's
starfish.
not an octopus.
No, that's legitimately a starfish. That's what they look like. They're all coming out for a feed.
Yeah, they're coming the fish
That's cool.
that you've just supplied for them.
Look at that. He's moving the fish and he's dragging it into his hole. Oh my god. They are literally everywhere.
As if they hadn't found enough animals out and about, the hotel cat decided she wanted some attention too.
And we have a cat. Legit. I know. We're just waiting.
Who brought you a gift? We brought you a gift.
Comment and let us know, would you have let the cat in?
Yeah. We did invite it. We said, do you want to come up to the room?
Yeah. Why do like she owns the place? She loves pets.
Surfer cat.
I've got a cat.
Good morning. Today's objective.
Find a surfing lesson for Jessie.
That's all we've got on today. Yeah, so we've got to meet guy over there at that restaurant. He's going to hopefully take Jessie out this morning for a coaching run, and yeah, go from there, see how the day progresses. We just had a chat with Furman, Jessie's surf coach, and he's going to take him out this morning at 8 o'clock, so we just stopped for some breakfast. And yeah, how you feeling about it, Jessie?
It's chill.
This wave's pretty big, so if I was him, I'd be pretty nervous, but he's cool as cucumber apparently, and ready to do it.
Too cool for school, cool.
See you, bud.
Bring my boat, please, yeah?
There he goes.
Jessie's been talking about surfing here since Bali, so today it's finally happening. After being dropped off by the boat, he starts paddling for the first wave. And he stands up, and he's up, and he's down. And then the ocean remembers who's boss. Lakey Peak is not a beginner wave. It waits and then it destroys. Not every travel dream goes like the movies, and that's okay. Sometimes the bravest thing isn't just standing up on the board, but actually having the guts to give it a go, and also knowing when to call it. Lakey Peak. You were beautiful, but brutal. If we can't surf here, maybe it's time we move on. Next episode, we take on an 8-hour ferry to Flores. Buckle up, it's not going to be pretty.